Yep, I just broke through it. I have my basic shape down. Now I'm going to start sanding. Better? Just so that I can get this on here covered good. And this does stink, just so you know. You might want to wear a mask. Oh, hey, look at that. Glued it. That was awesome. This is how my night's gone, though. Did you see me glue that paper on it? You missed it. It was awesome. And that tells me it's going too slow. So we're going to bump it up here. Yeah.
More power.
Okay, John's in the background saying more power. So I have a pretty decent layer on it. I'm going to shoot it with some kicker, some activator. And hopefully don't glue my fingers to it. Let that spin for a few minutes. About 2 pen blanks ago, I told John if it didn't work, I was going in the house. And you can see how well that turned out. I'm still here, so. that. There's still about 4 layers in there to go, and I shouldn't take off anymore. Now we're gonna start polishing. Kick it up just a little bit. Yeah, now you'll start to see that shine come out. And this is 1000 grit, so this is gonna polish it right up. And oh, it'll be so smooth. It's personal preference. You can do whatever you want. I just happen to like it. Alright, now we're into 2000. Now you watch that shine come up. And it does get warm on my glove, because I am putting some serious heat on it. I'm not liking that little guy right there, but I think I got it. Alright, let's see where we are here. Let's see. Now we gotta test it here. Oh, that's pretty smooth. And you may not have to do this, but I want to do it because I like it. A little bit more on there. There we go. Alright, now we're going to shut you off for a minute. We're going to take it off and go over to the desk and see if we can assemble it.
You let the fire go out.
I didn't let the fire go out, you did.
Says we are.
Oh, okay. I was like, I did. I was busy. Okay, so this is, like I said, this is my out of spite pen, because I should have had, whoops, I should have had 2 walnut pens and 2 zebra wood pens. And I'll show you why I don't have either, or both of them or something there. Here's one. Can you see that? That's not a very good hole. You don't want that to put a tube down in there. My other one, oh, the other one I got mad and threw away, so you can't see it. But now we have to decide, do I want this on the top or do I want this on the bottom? I'm kind of thinking I'm going to put the walnut on the bottom. So, here's our little transmission again, and those of you who remember this, you'll remember this, maybe, hopefully. So, oh, that's awesome, that goes right through it. Okay, let's put this guy up here. I know this isn't an official one, but it works for me, so. All right, so I am going to put Let's see here. Okay, this is my tip. There's our tip on there. Come on, don't be naughty. Did you see that? I pushed the transmission in. It might be in too far now. Or not. We'll see here. So, let's see. Oh, it's actually not. We can push it in there some more. It's all right. We can do that in a minute. All right. Now I put on my centers, my waist, my belt. And that goes right over that. Now, I like that. All right, so now this part is a little more tricky just because my fingers don't work so very well. Okay, so, see, told you. That guy needs to go there. And I need to put this over here. And this is going to sit right down inside of there. Likey so. Now we cross our fingers, eyes, and toes. And we have a pen. Little, I don't care, just a little set of pliers. I'm not sure why this isn't going down there, so I'm going to push it in a little bit farther. Oh, really? John. Oh my goodness sakes. And now I can't get it to turn at all. I'm going to shut you off for a minute because I might just throw this really nice pen here. But I got to figure out what's wrong with it, so we'll come back if it's finished, and if it's not, then you won't see this video. We're back. I'm going to show you really quick. This pen, remember the other night when John and I were talking about me buying all of these tools from a gentleman? He'd had them for a while. Well, I'm not so sure that that particular transmission that I just put in there wasn't working right, so I got a different pen kit out. After I mangled this one, can you see it? I got mad and pulled it out with pliers. Here's pieces, parts of it. But it wasn't working properly. Now if you see this one, it goes up, it goes back down. But in this kit, I went to pull out the pen insert and it was bent and then it broke. So I'm saying that these pen kits have either been through a bunch of abuse, or I don't really know what, but I know that it was a big frustration to me just now because my pretty little finishing job that I did on it is now messed up. But I'm gonna fix that by kind of cheating here. And I'll show you what I'm gonna do real quick here. Get all my pieces, parts out of the way. Okay, my little high polish, high friction finish, I'm going to put a little bit on this little fob on the Dremel. I'm gonna so cheat, I'm gonna polish this end up right here that I just kind of sanded, scraped, got mad, kind of cussed. Told John again I probably should have just gone in. But you can see, oh, you can't really see. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not much on this side of the camera. But you really get to notice in here, and I'll probably finish sanding it off camera, but this is just showing you that I can go back through here and kind of fix it. Okay, so now we'll finish it off camera, but I'm going to show you the pen here. So we got this part of it done. I got to take off my gloves. I can't do this part. So I got that. Oh, and I got it dirty. I've got my little belt, I call it. And then I'm going to put my top on. But look at the grain on this. This is the zebra wood. It's as soft as all get out, but it is absolutely beautiful. And this is my highly figured walnut burl that I just did. And like I said, I'm gonna have to go back in and finish sanding right about here, and that's okay. But overall, I think it turned out very pretty. It's a unique pen. I've never done one 2 different woods. But hey, it worked. So now I'm gonna shut you off. I've completed my pen. I did what I came out to do. And I'm gonna finish sanding it. See, I even told you, I have newspaper stuck on my thumb. I should have quit then. Okay, can I show you what John's doing? Can I turn it around here? Show you what John's doing? Because he's got a beast. Do you see that beast? Look at that beast. Look at that.
115 dirty cc's, a back-breaking Widowmaker.
It's so huge.
Homelight 2000, automatic. I don't know what's automatic other than the backache.
Yeah. All right. Well, we're going to turn you off and we'll come back at another time.